The metals. Look at the periodic table on page 36. The elements shown in yellow, olive, green, and blue are the metals. As you can see, most of the elements are metals. Metals all share a number of chemical and physical properties. Metals conduct electricity and heat well. They don't break when struck with a hammer. Most metals have shiny surfaces when rubbed or scratched. When pure metals are found in nature, they are called native metals. Metals are usually found combined with other elements in rocks. Rocks that contain metals are called ores. Ores are processed to separate the pure metals. Metals in their elementary or pure form have many uses. Pure copper wire. The Statue of Liberty is made of copper. Surface oxidation makes the gray-green color. Copper. Sometimes copper is found in its native form. More often, it is processed from ore. Copper is widely used for electric wire and water pipes. It is used in more artistic ways, too. Did you know the Statue of Liberty is copper? The orange-red color of copper changed to gray-green over the years as the surface oxidized. When a metal oxidizes, oxygen from the air reacts with the pure metal to make a new molecule. The new molecule on copper is gray-green. Aluminum. Aluminum is one of the most common metals in Earth's crust, but is never found in its native form. It is mined as an ore and turned into pure aluminum ingots at a factory. It is then rolled flat and formed into thousands of products. Because aluminum is lightweight and tough, it is used for airplanes, backpack frames, car wheels, and cooking pots. Aluminum is light and easy to shape. Huge ingots of pure aluminum at the factory. Iron. Iron is the backbone of industry. Naturally occurring iron is brittle, but when it is treated with heat and oxygen and mixed with small amounts of other metals, it becomes steel. Steel is strong and flexible. Huge, stable structures can be made of steel. This railroad bridge and the internal structure in the Statue of Liberty are made of steel. When iron and steel oxidize, rust forms. Oxidization slowly destroys the strength of the steel, so steel structures are often painted to prevent rusting. Strong steel structures hold up a train bridge. Precious metals. Gold and silver are known as precious metals. These metals are rare. They shine with a bright luster when they are polished. They are found as native metals, but most often they are extracted from ore. Over the years, these metals have been prized for artwork and objects of status. Gold, in particular, is used for jewelry because it does not oxidize when exposed to air. Gold and silver coins are highly valued as collector's items. Gold objects, native gold, native silver, silver objects. Alloys. Mixtures of metals are called alloys. Alloys have properties that are different from the properties of the original metals. Different kinds of steel are made by adding small amounts of other elemental metals to iron. Each kind of steel has different properties. Chromium is added to iron to make stainless steel, which doesn't rust. Nickel is added to iron to make nickel steel, which is tough and flexible. Some alloys have unique properties. Aluminum, nickel, and cobalt are combined to make alnico, a strongly magnetic metal. Copper is mixed with zinc to make brass. Brass has a golden luster. It is suited for use outdoors because it resists oxidation. Copper is mixed with tin to make bronze. Bronze is a tougher, more weather-resistant metal than copper or tin alone. Pure tin, native zinc, a bronze sculpture outdoors in a park, brass containers and key rings. What are salts? Most metals dissolve in acid. When metals dissolve in acid, new molecules form. The new molecules are called salts. Most salts dissolve in water and conduct electricity. Common table salt, sodium chloride, or NaCl, can be made by dissolving the metal sodium in hydrochloric acid. Other salts can be produced by dissolving copper, iron, calcium, or zinc in acid. Chemists use salts to develop new molecules like alloys, medicines, building materials, and fabrics. Sodium chloride crystals.